folks, what's up? This is Arcade from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to talk about how you can use sound recognition in iOS 14 on your iPhone. Sound recognition is also an accessibility feature that can give users with hearing challenges a visual cue for a variety of sounds happening in their, environment. And the list could, includes like alarms, animals, household sounds, and the sounds from people. For the folks who are wondering how sound recognition works on iPhone, I would like to say that the iPhone continuously listens for certain sounds, and it uses on-device, intelligence to notify you when sounds may be recognized. It is worth noting that sound recognition should not be relied upon in circumstances where you may be harmed or injured, in high risk or in critical situations. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. To begin with steps, launch Settings app. Then you have to scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then you have to scroll down and tap on sound recognition. Now you have to turn on the switch for sound recognition. Then you have to tap on sounds. Now you have to select the type of sounds you would like to be, recognized. Like, you can turn on the toggles for fire, siren, smoke. You can also turn on the toggles for cat, dog, household sounds, and you can also turn on the sound for baby crying. From now onwards, when your iPhone registers a sound, you will get a notification on your lock screen, home screen, or when using apps. It is worth noting that you can also long press on an alert to see what type of sound has been recognized if you have set up multiple alert types. And then you can, snooze the recognized sound if you want. That's how you can use sound recognition in iOS 14 on your iPhone. If you have found this video helpful, then do like it and share it. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.